is Astamudil. I am an Android app developer, recently graduated in BTech CSE, and this is video for task 1 for GSoC 2024 for Liquid Galaxy organization. So let me show you my Liquid Galaxy setup and 4 application which I have installed. So as you can see, I have three screens for my Liquid Galaxy, and the middle one is the master machine. If I control the master machine, the slave machine will sync up automatically. So this was the Liquid Galaxy rig I have installed. So let me show you 4 applications. So first one is set knobs with visualization. So as you can see, it is automatically connected. So if I click on view in gallery, you can see that a camel will be shown and this will orbit around. So as you can see, so let me clear the camel and show you the next application. So next application is rocket launcher app. So it is also connected, as you can see. If I click on visualize in Liquid Galaxy, it will visualize the place where the rocket is launched. So as you can see, let me show you third application, which is La Palma volcano tracker. So as you can see, it is also connected. So let me close this and visualize the La Palma volcano. So as you can see, it will show the volcano. So now let me show you my last application, which is smart city dashboard. Only this. So first let me connect to it. So it is connected, and if I go to city, so you can see that when I connected it automatically sync up. If I click on New York and play orbit, it will automatically show the New York city. So as you can see, so that was it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Matteo Baggini. This video is for the first task. Here I have 3 virtual machines running Ubuntu, and here I have a BlueStack emulator with 4 Liquid Galaxy applications installed for testing my configuration. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's start with image satellite visualizer. Let's connect to the Liquid Galaxy. Okay, we are connected. Let's display a demo image. Toronto. Let's see New York. Let's see Singapore. Okay. Let's see another application, RAS2. Okay, let's see Smart City dashboard. We are connected. The logo is displayed. Let's go to New York. Let's start orbit. Okay, let's stop orbit. Let's see the last application. We are connected. Let's see transit. We will see the orbit, the information. Let's start orbit. Let's simulate. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Manas. I am a computer engineering undergrad in India, and today I am going to show you the demonstration of the virtual liquid galaxy setup using some applications in BlueStacks. Okay, so as you can see, the rig is running and the BlueStacks emulator is also up and running. So the first application that we are going to test is going to be the smart city dashboard. So let me show you it. So to test the application, first of all, we have to connect the application to the liquid galaxy rig. So we go to the settings, we add the appropriate IP addresses, usernames, passwords, and the number of rigs. So in my case, I have added the 3 rigs here. So 3 rigs, and we connect to LG. As you can see, it is the status has updated to connected, and the rig has also shown some logos. There is some movement there. So for example, if you go to cities, let's say New York, and then let's say we want to see some information related to health. So let's say we want to visualize the health center districts here. So as you can see, they are displayed on the setup. The second app which we are going to try out is the LG controller. So using this application, what we can do is, using the same steps as shown before, we can connect. Now let's say we want to see the CN tower. As soon as we click on it, it is visualized in the rig. Now the third application, that is the La Palma volcano tracker. So in this application as well, the same step is followed. We have to connect to the LG using the credentials. Now going back, let's say for example, we want to see the landscape map and visualize it. As you can see, the logos have appeared on the left hand screen and the HTML bubble on the right hand. Similarly, there is a KML display there. Now to see a different map, let's say we want to see the prehistoric map here, get the information about the map which is shown and also some KML representation on the rig. Now the fourth and the final application that we are going to try out is the located voice CMS. Here also, as you can see, I have already connected with LG. The similar thing with the LG control. For example, we go to Mexico City. So Mexico City is going to be visible right there. Yes.